Now you can go ahead and you can set this up if you're into sports. You can put a sports background. So let's say you are going to be doing maybe basketball. I'm thinking that's basketball or soccer. So then if you are a coach or something like that, you can say, okay, team, you need to be going around on this side right here. And if their player goes this way, you need to come in and block them and then shoot. So as you can see, I'm not a sports coach, but you can have some cool backgrounds. I'm going to go ahead and clean all. And on those backgrounds, look at that. You have even music notes. You have a graph for mathematics. You got writing notes, so maybe you're going to be doing some writing. All kinds of cool. Even have a Venn diagram, a baseball field, all kinds of cool stuff. So right now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the white background. So I hit this option right here, and boom, you're all set.
HKMLC, a place where visions come true.